Day one, official groundbreaking ceremony. Anybody want to say a few words?
Ready to go.
Woohoo!
Now you got to twist that bad boy. 45 degrees. You did it. It's our first post. If you water that enough, it'll grow. It may sprout.
How much water should I put?
It needs a lot more than that.
We got a total of 6 posts in the ground, concreted. And once the concrete dries, we're gonna put the gate up.
This is gonna be the gate to our home.
I can't believe it. Well, I think this looks pretty good.
Oh, I think it's great.
It's not obviously perfect, but if we were going for perfect, we would have bought new stuff.
Right.
I'd say for reusing stuff, and it'll match the barn a lot better than buying new wood.
They call that sustainability.
Upcycle.
Upcycle.
We are Sustainability Farms.
Pretty good.
Beveled edge lined up really good.
I like to do that.
Y'all trying to escape? I promise y'all don't want to leave here.
No, there's butchers and things out there.
Get back. Hey, go away. No, no, not feeding you. We are 25% of the way done and very happy with how it looks. It looks good. 50% done.
Behind the gate.
50% to go.
Okay, so we've marked this board and we're going to bevel it so that it'll match the 45-degree angle. There's 2 notches. This one is if it's a 90-degree angle, and this one is if it's a 45-degree angle. Open.
So we had too much of a gap. And how are we going to fix that?
We are going to screw the hinges out about 1 inch, and that'll take 1 inch off the gap.
Oh.
Okay, let's see if she'll swing. Wow.
So smooth.